welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this really fun, super easy summery look. So if you like this makeup right here, please keep watching and I'll show you how I got it, and let's get started. So I'm going to start off by prepping my face with the TruSkin Vit C Serum. And I just put it on the back of my hand, just like that. And then I grab it from here. Next, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty primer. For foundation, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Foundation. Just going to go ahead and put it on my beauty blender. Next, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape tape for concealer. Go back in with my beauty blender and then buff that all out. I'm gonna go ahead and set all of that with my Mercier setting powder. Next, I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Match Stick. I'm just gonna go ahead and carve out my cheekbones by taking where this like little rivet of hair is. Just go ahead and bring it down towards your mouth. Then I like to just do a little bit on the tip of my nose just to give it the illusion that my nose is pinched. Just blend it in with my finger just like that. Then I'm gonna take just a buffing brush and just buff all that out upwards. I'm going to take the remaining product that's left on the brush from buffing that contour out. I'm just going to go and just run this underneath my nose and then along the sides of my nose as well to again give the appearance that I have a more chiseled and pinched nose. Next, I'm going to take a contour brush that looks just like this. I'm going to dip into my Hoola Benefit bronzing powder and just go over that cream contour. I'm going to take my beauty blender, slightly go over everything we just darkened so it lightens it up just a little bit so it looks more natural. Next, I'm going to take my Anastasia Brow Wiz. I'm going to brush all of the hair upward just like this. I'm going to do really thin hair-like strokes and build the arch of my brow, just going back and forth, outlining the bottom. And then moving towards the center of my face. I like to take the pencil and just angle it right with your nostril, and then this is where the line should start. Just like that. And then just build your brow, keep flicking hair-like strokes upward. And then I take the spoolie and I just brush this downwards. I go back in and just build the top part of the brow, continuing to do hair-like strokes. Then once you have the shape that you want, just go ahead and brush all of that into place. Voila! Now I'm going to do my other eyebrow off camera and I'll see you guys in a second. So once you have your brows all done, I'm going to go back in with my concealer and a thin flat brush to go in and just kind of clean up the bottom part of the brow just so it looks nice and sharp and precise. I'm just going to start by creating just a line of concealer. And then just blend all of this in. Okay, now that our eyebrows are nice and clean, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia brow gel. I'm just gonna brush all of my hairs into place. Boom. Now that our under eyes have baked, I'm gonna go in with a tapered brush like this and just dust off all the excess powder that you have underneath the eye. And it's at this point that I like to spray the Fix Plus spray from MAC, so that all of the powder and foundation that you just laid on your face, it comes together and it just blends really nicely with your skin and is smooth. You can apply this at any point in your makeup routine. I personally like to do it after I've dusted off all the powder so nothing moves. So for this eye look, I wanted to create something that was easy but still bright and vibrant and fun and summery. I've been obsessing over yellows, so that's what inspired this eye look. I'm gonna go in with this little palette that I created using MAC colors. I don't know what this color is right here. It's like a really pretty vibrant yellow. I'll find out what color this is and then link it down below. So I'm just gonna take a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm just gonna go in and pick up some of that color, and just by tapping this brush in. Now I'm gonna start out by patting this color onto my eyelid and then building this up into my crease. Now I'm gonna take a more dense, fluffier brush. This is the Anastasia A6 brush. Oh, obsessed. If there's one brush in your collection you need, it's that one. I'm gonna go in with that brush and now I'm gonna just continue to build this color into my crease. Okay, so that is all for shadow around the eye. Super simple, right? Now I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia, it's like a white eyeliner kind of. It's a little old and crummy, but it'll do. Just gonna put this in my waterline. Doing that is really gonna make your eyes pop and give the illusion that your eyes are bigger than they really are. Okay, now I'm gonna put some mascara on my eyelashes to prep them for fake eyelashes. I'm gonna use my Lancome Mercier Big. Mercier? I don't know how to say that, but here it is. I'm gonna apply my eyelashes and I'll be right back. So I realized once I was applying my lashes that I want this to be a little bit more, not so matte, a little bit more glittery. So I'm gonna take the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette. There's a color in here called Relic. It's this guy right here. I'm gonna go in and add a little bit of gold. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Should have just done that from the beginning. Yep. Loving that. Now I'm going to go in with a different mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I use two different mascaras. I always have. A different mascara for the upper eyelash, a different for the bottom. I'm gonna add just a little bit to the top just so it blends nicely with my lashes. Now for my favorite part ever. Highlighter. Okay, so I picked this up the other day. This is the new Anastasia Dream Glow Kit. Looks like this. Obsessed, let me tell you. So I'm gonna take my Anastasia, this is, I believe, the A23 brush. This is a highlighting brush. I'm gonna take this shade right here, Ethereal. And I'm gonna pop that on the high points of my cheeks. I hope this is picking up on camera. It has flakes of, like, the smallest flakes of purples and pinks. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and take Unicorn, which is the pinkiest shade of the palette. Okay, do you see that? Okay, do you see that? Put some here. I'm gonna just put this on the tip of my nose like that. Add a little bit here. Bring this down my nose. Just like that. And just keep going over as many times as you want, because it's never ever enough. I'm gonna take the shade Unicorn, just pop that in the corners of my eyes, just like that. Just so it ties all of it in together. Okay, so now that your highlight is in place, it's time for blush. So I'm gonna take my Too Faced blush. It's this cute little packaging. Okay, I'm going in with my blush and I'm just gonna pack some onto the brush and just hit the apples of my cheeks, just like so. I like to tap some of it in as well. Because this is a summer look, I'm gonna go a little bit more heavier on the cheeks because I wanna have that rosy summer sun-kissed look. Just gonna keep just packing it on until I think that enough is enough. Add a little bit to the tip of my nose. And now we're gonna finish off the whole look with our setting spray. I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. A little shake. So for a lip, I thought it would look really pretty with this look. Hues of yellow and pinks and gold. A red lip would look really nice. So I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the lip shade Stunna. This is the best red you'll ever own. There you have it. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!